Hey everyone, hope you're ready for another deep dive. Today we're looking at Shiba Inu,
Yeah.
and we've got some pretty interesting technical analysis
Okay.
and some market data we're going to be looking at today.
Cool.
I was looking at the data before we got started, and I saw that there was a bull triangle forming.
Oh.
I'm pretty excited about that.
Yeah, bull triangles are interesting for sure.
Yeah, so
I
I'm no expert, so that's why you're here.
Well, I'll do my best.
So yeah, maybe we can just jump right into it.
Sounds good.
One of the first things I saw
Hmm.
that caught my eye was this 74 series activation.
Ah,
Can you
yeah.
explain that?
Yeah, so the 74 series activation, it's a little bit technical,
Yeah.
but essentially what it means is, you know how people are always trying to buy low and sell high?
Right.
Well, this is sort of a sign that people are starting to think more long-term
Mhm.
about their investments. And
Right.
so for Shiba Inu, that's really interesting because it could mean that the price is stabilize
Right.
and then potentially go up from there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Not just a pump and dump.
Yeah.
More of a longer term hold.
Longer term, yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. So I also saw something about the resistance and support levels.
Yes.
Could you maybe break those down for us?
Sure. So think of resistance and support levels like a highway
Okay.
with guardrails on each side. The resistance level is like the ceiling,
Okay.
above which it's hard for the price to go. And the support level is like the floor, below which it's also hard for the price to go.
So what are those levels looking like
Yeah.
for Shiba Inu right now?
So right now, the resistance is around point zero 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 sixest.
Okay.
And if it breaks through that, it could go up to point zero 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 sixest.
Wow.
The support level is at point zero 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 zero.
Okay.
And that's really interesting because it's almost exactly the same as the 200-day moving average.
And what is the 200-day moving average?
So that's basically the average price of Shiba Inu over the last 200 days.
Okay.
And when the support level and the 200-day moving average are close together, it's often a sign that there's a lot of buying interest.
So people are bullish on Shiba Inu.
Yeah, it seems like it.
Cool. Okay. So that bull triangle formation.
Right.
What exactly does that mean?
Well, in technical analysis, a bull triangle often means that there's upward pressure on the price, like a
Okay.
spring that's being compressed,
Right.
and it could release that energy with a big move upwards.
So it's a bullish signal,
It is.
but not a guarantee.
No, of course not.
Nothing's guaranteed in crypto.
Exactly.
But it's definitely something to keep an eye on.
For sure.
Okay, so we talked about the 74 series activation.
Yeah.
And the bull triangle and the resistance and support levels. There's one more thing that I wanted to touch on.
Okay.
The trading volume for Shiba Inu last week was over $1 billion.
Wow.
That's a lot of money.
It is a lot of money.
What do you make of that?
Well, I think it just shows how much interest there is in Shiba Inu right now.
Yeah.
$1 billion in trading volume means that there are a lot of people buying and selling, and that could lead to some big price swings.
So is Shiba Inu about to take off?
It's hard to say for sure, but with all these positive signals,
Yeah.
it's definitely possible.
So maybe Shiba Inu is on the verge of a major breakout.
Maybe.
It's definitely something to think about. Thanks for joining me for another deep dive,
It was my pleasure.
and we'll catch you next time.
See ya.